What is up, YouTube and or Instagram? Today we are asking you for help, and we are also announcing our first giveaway. If you know either of us, you may know that we honestly hate asking for help. We detest it. We'd much rather be helping others. In fact, that's what our YouTube channel aims to do.
Most of you probably don't know this because we try not to bug our friends too much on social media.
But several months ago, we started our own YouTube channel.
Now, because of YouTube's new 2018 monetization policy, we need your help to reach 1,000 subscribers by February 20th. This will help our channel continue growing and allow us to continue doing what we love.
Our focus is on creating helpful videos on how to perform general car maintenance, as well as other helpful automotive videos. We have videos that show simple things,
like changing an air filter,
to more complex things like how to remove a transmission.
Just wiggle your way through. I think you gotta come out this way. Here, I'm gonna pull your legs.
I'm gonna lay down on it.
This is a picture perfect moment.
It's on my crotch.
and of course we have the really fun stuff like doing burnouts in our new race car. It's a constant effort for us to learn how to create interesting content that's also useful.
And we still have a really long way to go.
We don't expect to ask something like this from you without giving something back to you in return.
Which is why we're going to be offering up to 3 $50 Amazon gift cards and free t-shirts from our friends over at Tool & Die Designs.
You only need to do the following 3 steps to enter for this drawing. Step 1, like this video. Step 2,
follow the link to our YouTube channel in the description below and click on the big red subscribe button.
Step 3,
all you have to do now is leave a comment on that YouTube video, and that way we know to enter you into the drawing for the $50 gift card and the free t-shirt. And that's it.
no purchase necessary.
It's really simple, and it would help us a lot.
It won't take more than a minute of your time, but it would really mean the world to us.
For every 500 subscribers past our initial 1,000, we'll give away another $50 Amazon gift card and another t-shirt up to 2,000 subscribers.
That's it. Thank you for sticking with us to the end of this video, and thank you in advance for your support. It really does mean a lot to us.